Okay guys, so welcome back in our YouTube channel. Today's video episode, we're going to replace manual transmission support because it creates vibration during newly start the vehicle. So now we will open the hood. Okay, so we already opened the hood. Next step, we will remove this air duct, the clips, this battery, this air cleaner housing together this hose of our throttle body. Okay, so we will use steerings 10 mm so that we can clamp our air cleaner. Then this mounting bolts of our air cleaner. Then our battery will disconnect negative cable, positive cable on the mounting bolts of our battery. Okay? Okay, we will use 10 mm dip socket and ratchet. Then the negative cable of our battery. Then the positive. To remove the battery. Also the battery plate. Next, we will remove this air cleaner mounting bracket. Okay. Then the 12 mm mounting bolts here. We'll use dip socket, 12 mm extension bar, and ratchet under. Okay guys, so this is our manual transmission support. So we'll remove this bolt 17 mm here. Then together this mounting nuts of our manual transmission support mounting 17 mm. Okay. Okay guys, so we will use WD-40. We'll spray the mounting bolts and nuts so that we can easily remove the nuts and the bolts. Okay. Okay guys, so we have power handle, 17 mm dip socket, and combination wrench. We will use to loosen the mounting bolts of our manual transmission support. Okay. Okay guys, so we will loosen the mounting nuts of our transmission mounting. We use this dip socket, extension, and power handle. Okay. So we already loosened the nuts, mounting nuts of our manual transmission support. Okay guys, so we have 17 mm nut will install in our transmission support mounting bolt. We'll double nut the bolt so that we can remove the mounting bolts of our transmission support. Okay. So these are the nuts. So we'll install here in each transmission mounting bolts. Okay. Then we will tighten so that we can remove the mounting bolt of our transmission support. Okay. Then the other side. And here, and this side also. Okay, then another one, the port mounting bolt, will put the nut. Okay, then we will tighten the nut so that we can easily remove these mounting bolts. Okay, okay guys, so let's continue our job. So we have 17 mm socket extension bar. We put here in our mounting nut of our transmission support. The combination range 17 mm together this ratchet handle. Okay. First we will tighten the mounting nut. Okay. Then the lower nut we will loosen so that we can remove the mounting bolt. Okay. So we will use this combination open range. We will loosen the nut together so that we can easily remove the mounting bolt. Okay. Hey guys, so we loosen the mounting bolt. Okay, so this is the one. So we remove the first one. Okay, second one. Okay guys, so the third one, mounting bolts of our manual transmission, we already loosen, then we will remove. Okay guys, so the third one we'll remove. Okay, so there is one remaining there. We're going to remove also. Okay guys, so I put hydraulic jack in our manual transmission so that the manual transmission support we can easily remove. The purpose was hydraulic jack in our transmission so that it will not easily go down during removing the mounting bolts of our transmission support. Okay, now we will loosen the remaining mounting bolt of our transmission support. Okay, okay, so the last mounting bolt of our manual transmission support. Okay, so these are the mounting bolts of our transmission support. Okay, next we'll remove this bolt support, and next is support to remove. Okay, so it's already broken guys, the old support. That's why it creates vibration, engine vibration, especially in idling. So we'll replace this manual transmission support. Okay, broken. Okay guys, so let's install our new transmission support. So we have insulator pipe here. We'll put in this side, in the right side. Okay, then there's another one we'll put also in this side, left side, but we have to install first our transmission support here. Then at the same time we will put this insulator pad. Okay, so we installed the new one. Then we will install the mounting bolts. Okay, we will a little bit lift up the transmission using the hydraulic jack so that transmission will going up a little bit so that we can align properly the transmission support. Okay, so we will up transmission. We'll use this hydraulic jack. We will up a little bit further. Okay, so that we can install easily the transmission support mounting bolts. Okay, okay guys, so all the whole of our manual transmission support are aligned together. Okay, so that we can easily install the transmission support mounting bolts. Okay, okay guys, so all mounting bolts of our transmission support we already properly installed. Then we will tighten all the bolts. Okay, okay guys, as usual we will use this deep socket 17mm station bar and ratchet handle. Okay, okay guys, so we'll install the bolt, the 17mm of our transmission support. Okay guys, so we will finalize tighten the mounting bolts. We'll use this power handle. Okay. Okay. Then we'll remove the nut of our manual transmission support. Okay. Okay guys, so we'll remove the nut that we install. Okay, done. We already properly installed the manual transmission support. The new one. Okay guys, so we installed the nut of our bolt of our manual transmission support. Okay, we'll use this bit socket and particular header is 70mm combination gun. Okay. We'll use this power handle so that we can properly tighten. Okay, done. Okay guys, so we'll remove the hydraulic gap. We put in our transmission. Okay, down. Okay. Down. Okay. Okay. We'll install this air cleaner housing bracket. Okay. Okay guys, so we'll install the cleaner housing. We'll use this T-handle 10mm. Okay. Then the cleaner with the mounting. Okay. Then the battery 3. Guys, we will install the battery bracket. Then we will tighten the mounting bracket of our battery. Okay. Then the air duct. Okay. Then the clips. Okay guys, so finish our transmission support placement. So thank you for watching and God bless everyone. See you in next video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. God bless everyone.